Hey everyone, welcome back to today's Clean With Me video. I've got so much cleaning going on, starting with my downstairs basement area, and wow, talk about what a mess. So we're going to be starting off with the bar area, heading into the family room. I'm going to be doing some organizing and decluttering of my kids' school supplies and their school things before heading upstairs and cleaning the kitchen. I'm going to get into some of the nitty-gritty spots that do need to be cleaned. So come join me and get some cleaning motivation to tackle on some of your to-do list at home as well.
We're still here, flipping coins about what's to come. It starts getting cold, and we don't know any way out of here. We try to understand how it all started to go wrong, but the sea is way too deep. Yeah, it's deeper than we could ever go, honey. We have to be together here in the stormy weather. So why do we hold on, even if it hurts so? It's breaking us apart. I guess we'll never know how it feels to see the shoreline.
So we just did a huge Sam's Club haul. We got a lot of beverages and just a lot of basic necessities. And right now I'm going to clear off the countertops, put some of those things away. The beverages I don't have time to put away right now. We just have to figure out a little more room. I do have to go through and clear out the pantry and just kind of reorganize some of it, because with baby on the way, we need to declutter, because baby things are going to be coming into this house. And if you guys see and watch my videos, it is a small house, so we just don't have the space. I'm hoping I'm going to get a decluttering series, a deep cleaning series out pretty soon. I do plan on hitting it really hard and just getting this house super organized before baby comes.
Signs told us how we could reach the other side, and you start to doubt. I don't blame you, 'cause I feel the same. So why do we hold on, even if it hurts so? It's breaking us apart. I guess we'll never know how it feels to see the shoreline. We have to be together, stuck in the stormy weather.
If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Helena. I'm a mom of two with a third on the way, and I do cleaning, organizing, decluttering, clean with me videos for cleaning motivation, as well as some DIY and design. And if this is a type of content that you enjoy watching, I'd be grateful if you gave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as well as check out some of my other videos. if you're familiar with my channel, then you know that I feel like we've been looking for a house forever, honestly, like 3 years. We've had some opportunities that we've unfortunately missed, but I do want to buy a house that I know that we're going to love. We are looking for a larger piece of land. We're looking for like an acre. We need a 3-car garage. We need it in the neighborhood that we would like. And we need at least a 4-bedroom house. So I think with how crazy the market is, even though that I'm in real estate, we're starting to think about building. Right now, it's just kind of coming across. I found a lot. It's whether or not it's feasible. I do have a degree in architecture. I am very familiar with the building remodeling process, as we've done plenty of homes where I have been primarily in charge of it. And I am excited about the adventure of building. It is a very time-consuming process, but at least I'll get to design the house that I really want on a more affordable budget. Now, building isn't always necessarily affordable, but we've flipped houses. We kind of can find a way to bring down some of the cost that would allow us to get a home within our price range that we very much want and designed to our needs.
We got this. It's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. We got this. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove.
One of the biggest things on my wish list is to have an enclosed play area that is basically entirely dedicated to my kids. That will be their area. That will be where they keep most of their stuff that they have organized. They will have, all of their Xboxes, Nintendos, things like that. And it keeps the rest of the house cleaner. Now, I'm not saying that they can't have their stuff around the house, because they definitely can. But I want a majority of their things to be put away neatly in their play area, their entire space, their room, whatever that's going to be. But I am so desperate for an enclosed play area to have just this clean and organized house.
We got this. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now.
Now, being that the house is small, we did the best that we could for storage solutions in this house, and there is absolutely no storage solution for any of these shoes. We ended up getting this bench that we can have shoes in, and this bench has to get decluttered consistently because when my kids take their shoes out of their rooms, they don't necessarily always put them back. So I'm decluttering the shoes that we don't wear on a daily basis, that we may only wear on the weekends. Those go back into my kids' rooms or into my room or into my husband's closet. And we're gonna go ahead and just keep the shoes that we use on a daily basis to maintain a clutter-free storage solution down here.
You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love.
So I am tidying up the upstairs kitchen right now, and my kids have Polish school today. They have an Easter celebration tonight, so I have to make 24 eggs for their class. I'm going to do that right now before just tidying up the rest of the kitchen and pretty much finishing off for the day. I do have so much more cleaning to do, and we're going to hit that in a different video.
The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore.
I hope you enjoyed this video and got a ton of cleaning motivation. And if you did, I'd be grateful once again if you gave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments, what are your plans for the day? What are you guys tackling on? What is the project going on in your house? I love hearing from people. It just feels so great to hear from viewers.